I've been thinking about this for a while, and I am finally ready to introduce Community Knife Rescue. You guys already support this channel by watching, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. You've helped grow this channel far larger than I ever thought possible. In return, instead of trying to figure out some way to ask for money through channel memberships and fake perks, I'd rather find a way to help you, which will in turn also help me. If you're a subscriber with a knife that needs help, poor action, detent issues, dirty internals, or have a brand new knife that just feels way too stiff or gritty right out of the box, submit it for consideration. If selected, I'll tear it down, diagnose it, clean it, and tune it. And the most important part, this is completely free. You only pay round-trip shipping. You help me make interesting content. I help you with your knife. It seems like a fair deal. Go to the community tab on my page and you'll find out how to submit your knife for service and tuning. Oh my God, this knife is smooth. I love this thing. I will never trade this knife.